If you ride a bicycle in Florida or drive a car on Florida roads, you need to understand one dangerous concept: target fixation. Target fixation is one of the hidden causes of many Florida bicycle crashes, and most people don't even know what it is. So, target fixation happens when a driver or cyclist becomes so focused on an object that they unintentionally steer towards it. So, instead of steering away from the danger, the brain locks on to the hazard. This could be a cyclist in the lane, a stopped vehicle, a guardrail, or even debris in the road. And the vehicle drifts directly towards it. In motorcycle safety training, this is well known. But in Florida bicycle crashes, we see it constantly with drivers. Now, in many Florida bicycle crash cases, a driver will say something like, "I saw the cyclist." But then the obvious question is, well, if you saw the cyclist, why'd you hit them? And that one explanation is target fixation. That driver's eyes locked onto the bicyclist instead of scanning for a safe path around them. The car follows the eyes, and the result is a collision. Now, from a Florida personal injury standpoint, target fixation matters because it directly relates to driver negligence. Drivers have a duty to maintain proper control of their vehicle and to keep a proper lookout. If a driver fixates on a cyclist and fails to steer safely around them, that can be evidence of careless driving. In a Florida bicycle crash lawsuit, we will analyze lane width, passing distance, visibility conditions, speed, and whether the driver had adequate time to avoid the crash. Target fixation can explain why a driver drifted into a cyclist even when there was room to pass safely. Now, target fixation isn't just a driver problem. Cyclists can experience it as well. If a bicyclist is staring at a pothole, a parked car, or a curb, they may unconsciously steer towards it. That's why cycling safety training emphasizes look where you want to go, not at what you want to avoid. For drivers in Florida, when approaching a cyclist, widen your focus. Look past the cyclist. Plan your pass. Remember the 3-foot passing law. And if you can't pass with at least 3 feet distance between you and the bicyclist, slow down and wait until you can. That's the law. For cyclists, keep your eyes scanning ahead. Maintain predictable lane position, and when necessary, legally take the lane to prevent unsafe squeeze passes. Many Florida bicycle crashes are not caused by aggression, but by human psychology and poor visual focus. Understanding target fixation can prevent these crashes. And in a legal case, it can help explain how the crash occurred. I'm George Palaidis, a Florida personal injury attorney. If you or a loved one have been involved in a crash and have been injured, understand your rights, know the law, and protect yourself out on the road.